What up, guys? Chan Trades back in the building. A little bit of an off day today. We just had a huge sell-off, and price was just kind of being shitty. It's just gonna be that way for a while. Quick little side note. Cool little Christmas candles. I know this is like the more. This is the candles you see when you first start trading. I know that. I understand that. But this is the Christmas candles. Gotta spread the Christmas joy, because of red and green. Anyways, let's just recap this trade real quick. So coming into today, I was mainly just kind of looking at what London session did. It reacted off of Asian session, so we get manipulation of Asian lows. Then we get a reversal, Culiante. We've also been pretty bullish these past few days, besides yesterday. Actually, yes, yesterday, but sorry. Besides. Anyways, so I was wanting to be bullish, but I also understood that we were pretty overextended because we basically we were just manipulating everything up here. So I was initially looking for longs, but I wanted to take my time looking for longs. So I was only waiting for a 5-minute entry. So right off the bat at market open, we go and we manipulate these 5-minute lows, which is perfect. That was good. We get some form of manipulation. It didn't have to be this 1 hour low right here, but these 5-minute lows were good. So we manipulate them, and we have low resistance, equal lows. In theory, off of these lows, let's just start Siri. In theory, off of these lows, I could have done like a 1-minute strategy, and it would have worked because we had this fair value gap right here. 1 minute for value gap, and we fill it. Cool. Do we fill? Okay, I guess we break structure before, but we get. Anyways, I'm sure I could have found something in here, but I didn't. I waited for a 5-minute strategy, which worked because we basically broke. I'll go back real quick. If we can find it where we were at. This is on ES, by the way. I didn't say that. Yeah, so we went and we broke structure. So we manipulated these lows. Broke 5-minute structure, super, super strong. All right, and now we just come back in equilibrium. We're also in an order block, Culiante, and we're kind of just chilling in here. And eventually we go and break structure, or we fib. We get, I think we make it equal high, but we basically break structure. Like that is a change in order flow for me. Immediately after, we shit the bed. It happens, and then immediately after that, we go back up and we go to like a good TP1 spot. So that kind of sucks, because this TP1 wasn't a bad risk reward ratio. Is what it is. I would have actually, if I would have got a better entry, or if price would have gone up the TP1, I would have took partial profits. I'm trading on I'm trading micros now, so I could take partial profits because I actually do have position sizing now. But in total, I lost almost 300 on my funded and then 120 on my personal. So not too bad with my risk, but overall, just a off day. Price action is just kind of shit. Is what it is. We're gonna keep it slow for the rest of the month. I don't gotta rush in anything, so. I'll see you guys in the next one. If you want to see me take the full trade, just keep watching. Yo, yo, yo. That's crazy. What's up, guys? Chan Trades, otherwise known as Lukey. We back. I color coded the candles for the month of December. I guess this is like the standard candles, but we got them all color coded. Alright, let's just kind of go over where I'm at right now. December's gonna be more than likely, at least like the first few weeks, slow, so we're gonna take it slow. I'm not gonna try to force anything. We're definitely bullish right now. We've definitely ripped quite a ways since last week, which is cool. We're almost back at all-time highs, but we might just be following a trend. Who knows? This is really the trend, I guess, right here. So we broke the trend, kind of. I don't know this retail stuff. I'm not like the retail guy. Anywho, so for today, I just kind of want to see how price action plays out. So we had manipulation of Asian session and then a reversal. So I'm expecting most likely a manipulation and then a continuation. Probably on this 1 hour low, maybe these 5-minute right here lows, but we could also like we have a SMT. It's a pretty high time frame. So we could just be chilling at this S&T. So who knows? Well, I don't know. I maybe already said this, but it's December 2nd. It is 7:27 a.m. So in my lifetime, Chicago skyline. That's why I'm. Alright. News today, we got jolts. Just like all of our job data. Don't really have much else going on. Bitcoin ribbon. Who knows? Alright. So, okay, we're just gonna keep it slow. We're looking for a high quality trade. If we get it, we get it. If we don't get it, we don't get it. I'm gonna trade smart. If there is a trade to be taken, I'll probably take it on. I'll probably, yeah, take the move on NQ, just because NQ is more likely to reach that high. Look at a previous session. Alright. I don't know how I feel about the red and green. It's festive though. Alright, market just opened. She fill my mind up with ideas. I'm the highest in the room. Hope I make it out of here. Yo. So we broke 5 minute structure and versus fair value gap. We're definitely in bearish structure, but again, market is open. But I really want to see manipulation this 1 hour, maybe even these 5 minute lows down here. They're pretty cool. I mean, the overall move up. Equilibrium right here. Yeah, we all see. Yeah, so I'm bullish, which I already kind of said, but we could easily be bearish too. So we're definitely feeling bearish confluences as we speak. We got a break. We got an NQ. Feeling a breaker block right now. But like this is why we don't enter right at market open. Stand the room. So if we just sweep this high, which is super likely, just go ahead and just sweep it. Got another SMT. Shorter time frame. SMT. Don't really need a market, but whatever. If we just sweep this high on NQ, I'm probably looking for a short on ES. We still haven't filled in any confluences yet. Right now I think we're gonna break structure. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna sweep this high. Which is good. I'm probably gonna be bearish. Huge SMT. Yeah, we just swept it. There's not really a whole lot more price can do. We gotta wait for this John to close. We'll see. We might end up breaking structure right here, but this is really early. Don't really want to enter in a trade right now, which is honestly good. We'll kind of see what happens with price. We are ripping right now. We got news at 8, so we have plenty of time. And ES is ripping too, which is super chill. Oh, yeah. Big old candles. Love, you try everything. You do for love everything, even my brother, my brother, my brother. Alright. We had our 5-minute manipulation, which is pretty chill. What we could also get now, some form of retracement on the 5-minute. That'd be pretty cool. Like off of this, if we get a 5-minute retracement, I'll enter. And we probably won't get a 5-minute retracement, just knowing how price action has been. But we are setting up for one potentially. But then you don't give up. Do for love. Try everything. Don't give up. Alright. Alright. through my eyes. Tell me your tale. Do you see the road? The map to my soul. I'm sad. Alright. 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 What if I'm alright? Doesn't on my feet, my seat, 10,000 on my eyes, really on my wrist, make it fight me. Okay. I think we're kind of prepping for longs. We had our manipulation, which I'm chill with. That is decent manipulation. But at the same time, I just don't know which index I'd enter off of or in, because NQ is leading right now, which is good. And typically you want to, I enter off the leading, but we'll see. Yes, might be presenting a little better, if presenting at all. So we'll have to figure that out, because we're still haven't. Inverse this gap. 10,000 on my seat, 10,000 on my eyes. It gets so deep, I get it wrong, get me wrong. My brother. Okay. Alright, don't make me regret this. Look at my eyes, tell me your tale. Do you see the road? I'm up to my soul, and tell me the signs whenever the smoke clear out of my face. Am I picture perfect, or do I look fine? A green to yellow, be drift from your eyes. A tear, do my eyes. Holy shoot! Nights, I see people who ride with me. Maybe Scotty would do to jump off the stage and say I'm a child. Hold up, my brother. Yeah, that shit wild. Flame you sane. Okay. Nice. Let's fib on this little guy. Okay, beautiful. We don't even have to do the fib. It appears as if we're breaking 1 minute structure, which is very chill. I know we came down pretty far, and that's fine. We just need to break or fib. We just need to change 1 minute structure, and we just need to reverse 1 minute structure. That's what we're looking for. Beautiful. We're plugging into this fair value gap too. Okay. Could last forever. Whoa. Cool. So 8, 10. That's good. See you again. Kiss. You could last forever. You go to war.
What? The Sigma?
Again, we are still in a pretty big SMT. We could get more manipulation off of NQ. Or more retracement off of NQ, I should say. Let me just kind of feel this out, though. Yeah, as it stands right now, we're changing NQ order flow. Not NQ, sorry. Yes, order flow is being changed, which is chill. We don't really care too much. We are still chilling. Let's kind of see this next candle. This next 5-minute candle will determine if we are still chilling or we are not chilling. We're getting more. We're getting some more bearish PA. But I feel like NQ wants to rip. I feel like ES would also enjoy ripping. 8, 10, 15, 13, 12. Cool. This is good. I think we just broke structure on the 1 minute. Or yeah, we fib. Okay. And Q is doing this thing. Dot 5, yeah. Okay, to 6. Cool. NQ's ripping. Cool. Let's see where we close. Order. Stop loss. Confirm that stop loss. Okay. Stop loss is confirmed. Just chill. We'll kind of just see how this next candle plays out. I entered because in Q, that's rippin'. Yes, rippin' too. Maybe this wasn't the best index to take the trade on, if I'm being honest. Might have been NQ, but we'll just kind of feel it out and see. I'm chilling with my risk. Feeling good with that, and we just got stopped out. Okay. Alright. Well, that was pretty chill. Alright, I just got stopped out. I lost like 300 on my personal, 128. Or sorry, I lost 128 on my personal, 300 on the funded, which is chill. I feel like that was a little bullshit. It's whatever. It was my 5-minute strategy, so basically, we'll just go over it just real quick. So we come up, we break 5-minute structure, we retrace into equilibrium. We are also inside a order block, very cool. NQ break structure. Obviously, we retrace into a fair value gap. Cool. On the 1 minute, we're kind of just chilling at equilibrium. We never fib. On the 5 minutes, so we never break 5-minute structure. We never change 5-minute order flow. We stay consistent. And basically, right here, come up. We definitely fib or we break structure right here. Cool. And then we just shit the bed right after. And Q, we break structure. I don't know. Whatever. We're probably just consolidating now. That's probably what today's going to be. Overall, I don't hate this trade. I feel like today's just kind of a shitty day. I took it a little early. I took it like right at macro, so it's not like way too early. I could have waited for news. I don't know. I'll do some thinking. I'll do some reflecting, but overall, not a bad little trade. Alright. I'll see you guys. Bye-bye.